Lake bottom! Yeah! Lake bottom!
Watch this, guys!
Go McGee!
Yeah!
Those bottom losers are getting way too close to Sunny Smiles' waters. It ends tonight. I hereby seize these boys in the name of Camp Sunny Smiles. Hey, bottom freaks! Back on your side of the lake. You're dealing with the Butt Border Patrol now. That's it! You got an attitude problem, tentacle boy. Lucky I don't run you in. That's littering! Consider this a warning. You better obey my laws or you'll be in big trouble, fish stick. Well, that takes care of that. Huh? Whoa! You don't scare me, you freak from beneath. Ah, Mommy!
What do you mean it's not a porta potty? Morning, Slimy.
Morning, Slimy.
Yeah! Oh, Slimy, cut it out! Whoa, sweet hat.
Morning, campers! It's cleaning day! Whoa, this calls for super suction! This face has never been cleaner.
Time for a little reverse action. Maybe too much power for a vacuum, but not for a kick-butt flyboard! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Go Okay, who put this bad boy here?
Butt Patrol! Big Nimrod, you are officially trespassing in Sunny Smiles waters.
This is Lake Bottom's swim area.
Yeah, butt snitch, you don't own the whole lake.
This fence says I do. Got you for trespassing, damaging property, and for public lameness. But I'll go easy on you this time. Just stay on your side, and we won't have a problem.
Oh, this side or this side? How about this side? This?
Don't make me lock you up, McGee! Huh? Keep that Slimeosaurus away from me! It tried to eat my boat this morning!
Whoa!
Slimy doesn't eat junk food.
And then it stole my new hat!
Slimy, did you attack Officer Buttsquat's boat and steal his hat? Then you know what to do.
You've been warned. Next time I see that stinky leech, it's off to the slug pound. Slug pound!
Buttsquat asked for it. It's time to take our pranking to a whole new level, Slimy.
Maybe Slimy should stay away from Buttsquat for a couple of days.
Oh, relax. He's just having fun. The more fun Slimy has messing with Buttsquat, the better. So come on, Slimy. Let's get messing.
But Border Patrol report. No sign of the bottom sneakers and their mucusy accomplice, but it's only a matter of time. And if I see them in my waters, they're gonna get some of this. And this. And this. Sharks? Get away! Shoo! Help! Not funny, you guys. You could have gotten yourselves blasted. This thing is totally dangerous. Watch.
Slimy! We were so worried about you. We're relieved to see that you're hanging out with other kids? Time for my triple backflip, reverse gill twisting, arm stand, kite dive. Ow! I do! Every time. Slimy? All this time you have been hanging out with the bottom lurkers? McGee, Squirt, Gretch, wow! What are you guys doing here? Hey, McGill. Actually, we're here for Slimy. We were hanging out with him till he took off.
Slimy? That's where you were when we texted you? But you said you were doing your taxes. I thought that sounded kind of fishy. What? Down here in Bottom Lake, fishy means totally believable.
It's true. Slimy's phone is full of Bottomdwellers selfies. Why didn't you just tell us you were hanging out with them?
Makes perfect sense. What? You don't understand Slimy? Are you kidding? Of course I do, Spout. Here, Slimy! Just like you asked. That's not what he said. Ow! That's what Slimy said! Ow! But I wish he didn't.
Yeah, anyway, we'll get out of here and take Slimy off. Sorry, McGee, but Slimy's staying. Huh? Hey, I get it. Slimy wants us to hang out together. Well, I guess we could share Slimy. Just as long as we don't have to share him with anyone else or anything else. Ah! It's anything else! What? Slimy hangs out with that thing too? Oh, he'd have never done anything like that back at Lake Bottom. He must have picked it up from you guys. In case you didn't notice, Slimy doesn't belong on land. He's a water breather like us. So go find an air breather to hang out with.
It's just not the same.
We hung out with Slimy all summer. We know him way better than you do. As if we hung out with Slimy all high tide. We know him way better than you do, and way wetter, too. Not now, Slimy.
Ultra high-grade species so rare you could be the last of your kind left. Now that's what I call endangered delicious.
It's Slimy stressing.
Nothing to see here. Just capturing your delicious friend and making him into sushi.
Ew! Sushi ink!
Stress ink! That's the ticket! Aha! We did it! Now quick! Everybody swim! Swim for your lives!
Look! In that boulder! A cave!
So that wasn't a cave?
Even with all this water, I still need to take a long shower. A lobster trap? How humiliating!
Go! Don't worry about us, McGee. Just get Slimy to safety. Hurry! Do your worst, Buttsquat. You'll never get to eat Slimy. Never!
You may not be sushi quality, but you'll do for a midday snack.
No! Slimy! Don't do it!
Ah, the old pretend to turn the mutant fish kids into sushi trick always works. Come here, lunch.
Slimy! No!
After this, my list of ultra-rare lunch items will be complete. And I never thought I'd top white rhino horn pate or squeaky clean squid bowel.
Squeaky clean. Squeaky! That's it, Squeaky! I got it!
McGee, now is the worst possible time for a game of slime and seek.
Get ready, guys! If I know my squeaky toys, that insanely horrifying monster should be here any second. Okay. Any second. Here we go. Any second now.
Sure, I can do this way faster, but I just love the drama.
We need more time. We need to distract Buttsquat. We need to... Time for my triple backflip, reverse spleen twisting arm stand pike dive. Yeah!